Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, which is 3.1 located in the right upper corner, and select History. Here you've got all visited websites, and click on clear browsing data to remove all websites, passwords and all the rest. So here you will notice basic and advanced options. Under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cards, images and files. And then under advanced you have some more, like saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. Then just pick the time range, so I would like to remove it from the beginning, that is why I will pick all time, and finally click on clear data. And this is it. As you can see, there is no longer history here, and now you can create it from scratch. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.